Good day guys, being here. Today we're going to model these dormer windows. Okay, so let's start. First, create a project and let's model a roof. So I'm going to just roughly model a roof and uncheck slope on one side. So it will be a gable roof. Okay, so can increase the slope a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to model, so first one, this one, and we can go to the top view and we can create WA. So I'm going to model it from a level 1 with a 2 meter offset with a 2 meter height. Okay, so I'll change this to finish face exterior so I can have a better control over my wall, so you can use space to switch sides. So this is very important. So okay, so looks like I forgot to it's okay, we can just model them and let's rotate it back to see what's going on here. So it looks like these walls are too low. Maybe we need to increase. So let's just change it to 4 meter, maybe even move them out. Okay, so I think that's about it. And then we can place a roof. So place this roof to it. And, hang on, where's my Revit? Oops. Okay, so place a roof on top. So use pick a wall, 1, 2, 3. Make sure it's on the exterior side. And then select these two, check the define slope, and also I'm going to just finish this, check the define slope, and finish this, and finish. And then we also need to should be 6 meter because 4 meter plus 2 meter, so 6 meter offset. And then we can select these 3 walls. Let me just change this to generic wall. Okay, so generic wall and attach top, and pick this roof, and attach base, pick this roof. Okay, and so now let's have a look of. So we need to extend this roof. So we can go here. So this join roof. So pick this edge, pick this roof. Ooh, looks like we need to change the slope to 15 degree. That's better. And also you just need to drag this wall to roughly match the roof. Yeah, okay. And that's it. And then you can place a window. So place a window. So there. Okay. Oh, my looks like it's too big. Maybe smaller. Yeah, but this is roughly how you can model it. So we just change this. Okay, so that's better. So do I have different size? I'll leave it. Maybe another window there. Pretend that's okay. So close enough. Okay, so this is the first one. So let me change the type. And yeah, so you just need to drag your ball back a little bit to match the edge. Oops. Still not. Yeah, that's it. Same here. Okay. Oops. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, let's do the second one. Second one will be the same. Okay, so just different. Oops. Sorry, my mouse is not working. Okay, so the second one will be the same. So you can just edit footprint. So instead have that. So even you can, so if you want to keep that height there, so you can use negative pitch. Okay, so something like that. Of course, you need to adjust this wall to stay under the roof. But I'll just let's try if I can align. No, maybe not. Maybe use trim and extend. Can I do this? Yeah, but you need to use tab to pick the line instead of the face, because this face is not vertical. So okay, so this is the second one, and then third one. So one's the same, so you just need to change the pitch. Oops, what's this? Oh, sorry, that's the wall. So edit footprint, just get rid of this slope, select these two, define slope. Let's try 30 and on drawing. So looks like we need to drag. So sometimes your roof will you will have some issue to try to join the roof, but you just need to draw it, drag it back, so don't touch the roof, and then once again use this tool, join roof. So pick any of this edge and pick this roof, okay, and then adjust the wall too. So that's it. Now fourth, so the same, just hit roof instead of gable, just edit footprint and check that 30, I think, finish, and that's it. Okay, so fifth, so this one looks a little bit tricky, but actually it's not that hard. Okay, so the difference is, so see this one, so this is same level of this or the roof, so that's so zero offset from the roof level. But here this is offset from the roof level. Okay, so let's go back. So same this roof, edit footprint. So what you need to do is you just need to select this sketch. So here, plane offset from base. So let's just type in, I'm not sure, 900. So finish. Nope, maybe that's too much. So let's try 500. Finish. Yeah, so you will see this. So it's very similar to that, but looks like there is some overhang. So see, this line is offset from that plane. So you just need to go edit footprint, because we use pick wall. You can always use this overhang. Okay, so let's try 600. Okay, so maybe we need to lift it up a little bit more. So instead of 500, let's try 900. Apply. Okay, so hang on, let me have a look. Maybe a little bit less than 900. Let's try 750. Okay, so I think that's quite good. Just we need to cut that angle here. So this is quite easy. So you can go to the top view and go to architecture, use vertical, pick this roof, and then you just need to go draw a line 45 degrees. Okay, so and then another one here 45 degrees. So and then you can just close it. Finish. Can't keep wall and roof join. So looks like there is see here, looks like we need to adjust that void. Okay, so let's just cancel this, change it to wireframe WF. So maybe we need to drag this up, move this down, and then somehow, yeah, we probably need to adjust that. Or even you can just, instead of 45 degrees, let's just do it not 45 degree. Okay, so just match the point. So finish this. Oops, sorry. And finish this. So now let's go to rotate it, shade SD or hidden line HL. So now you will see that's roughly the 5th option. Okay. Yep. Okay, so the 6th, let's do it. So where's my Revit? Oops. Sorry. Revit. Yeah. So the 6th, let's say big gable roof. Okay, just edit for print. So instead of overhang, change it to 0 and then switch to no, because we want to keep these two, but only want to switch this. So maybe we need to just align. Okay, so now finish, and that's for the vertical opening. So delete. That's fine. And then we can just and also here. So see this. We just need to get rid of this offset. Okay, so change it to 0 and finish. So and also get rid of this defined slope, so it will be a gable roof. And then the end wall, so we just need to edit profile. So that's fine. So yeah, so it will be something like that. So it's quite interesting. Okay, so where's my Revit again? So you can just pick wall, maybe with a little offset, and go down, maybe some offset as well on both sides, 300, and let's just finish. And hang on, looks like the wall, yeah. So because this wall is attaching base to this roof, so don't worry about this line. So we just need to finish it, so roughly here. Okay, so I'll just draw this line to here, trim, and trim. So so this is quite important. So sometimes when you use edit profile, and if you want these two walls, or this wall and this wall, to join properly, so instead of pick the edge of the wall, you need to pick the center of that wall. I think I will talk about so maybe I will talk about this in the future, but I want to point this out. So if you want these two walls joined properly, you need to pick the center line of this wall. So I'll finish this and join. So you will see these two walls, so this wall and this wall, join perfectly. So there's no more extra line. Okay, so if I edit this, if I edit this profile, so you will see this line is sitting in center to that line. Not sure if it's core center or wall center, but it's center of that line. If I pick this edge, okay, so instead of use this center line, let's see what happens. Okay, it looks like it's okay. Yeah, but sometimes it won't work. Sometimes when you do this, it will, they will never join properly. But just actually, I'll quickly show you. Okay, so I'll use this opportunity to quickly show you. So this is a wall, and this is let's just draw another wall, rotate it by 90 degrees. I'll trim it. Okay, so then I'm going to edit profile, and I'll just adjust this wall to become this. So see, currently they are drawing properly. So, and also you can use this tool, okay, to switch, right? But if you go edit, and instead of use this line, so see this line sitting in the center, if you use pick the face and finish, and then you'll have this issue. So they are not joined properly. You need to use join tool, but sometimes it won't work. See, it won't work. It will not work. It doesn't work. Okay, so and even so, if you switch to the other side, yep, looks like it's okay. But the best way to do it is pick the center. So see this, and then that's it. Okay, so let's go back to the Doma window. Okay, so this is another one. So which is the 6th. Now let's do this. Okay, so this one. This one should be, so just cut the void, and then yeah, it should be easy. So it's just yeah, cut a vertical void and then create a flat. So I think that's pretty much. So let me just drag this wall, maybe this window as a roof as well, to the edge of this. Okay, roughly here. And then what we need to do is we just use you can use the vertical tool and pick this roof, and then you can just pick the actually you should pick the internal face of the wall. So this way you won't cut the roof. So because if you pick the external face of the wall, so you will cut away that part of the roof, and then you have nothing to attach the wall. Okay, so, and I think let's maybe just pick these two, finish a trim, and create that opening. Okay, because yeah, we need that roof. So sorry, I think no, we shouldn't do this. We should use the Doma. Let's use the Doma. Okay, so sorry, Doma opening. So use okay. So first you need to pick the roof. So after you click on the Doma opening, so pick this roof, and then you can pick roof and wall edge. So so first let's pick the roof, and then pick the wall edge, internal edge. Okay, so internal edge here, and then trim and trim, and okay, so that's the Doma window opening. So you will see it also cut here vertically, and also cut here horizontally. And also you can just drag this wall so it will close this side. Okay, so yeah, so that's and also the roofs, sorry. So this one we just need to reset profile, and then change this footprint, and this I'll switch this to the exterior side, and finish this, attach to the roof. Looks like we need to trim this wall, and what else? A little bit overhand. So just overhand, just typing a number 300 for example. and that's it. That's quite ugly. Okay, so next one, this one. So very similar. So let's just do the roof. Okay, so ignore the lower part. So it will be edit footprint, and then you just need to create a, so you can use this fillet arc, pick this line, and then create this. I'll just roughly place it here, and then give it a slope. You need to match this one, so 30. Delete this, finish it. So that's it. Okay, so I think, yeah, so maybe need to be a little bit higher, so it's quite, anyway, so let's do the next one. So we finished the 8th. Okay, so this one is quite interesting. I think I will just use a model in place instead of use a roof. So you can just, so let's just I'll just do it here. I'll copy this wall. Okay, so I have some wall here. I'll attach base to this roof. Maybe just move these windows up a little bit. Okay, so sorry, we don't need those windows, we need one. So we can use model in place. Okay, so I'm going to use a roof category, and you can just go pick, use a blend. So blend. So first pick a world plan, and I'm going to pick this wall. Okay, so after I pick this wall, I'm going to draw the first profile. So I'll just go to front, and then maybe let's just roughly draw something like this. Okay, and then I'll just draw another line here, another line here, and maybe mirror it. Okay, mirror it to this side. Mirror is mm or dm, so it's here. So mirror, where's the mirror? Here. So this is mm. Mirror, use a line or a plane. This is dm. You draw a line. Okay, so now you can use this fillet arc, so to create an arc, something like that, and then we can just mirror this to here, and then trim tr. So now we have the first shape, and of course you want a thickness, so maybe offset. Let's just do 200, tab, and just close it. Okay, and then we need to create another one. So this one will be the one on the top, so I'm going to edit top. So maybe let's try to just draw another one. So so we're going to draw it maybe slightly smaller. I'm not sure, so I'll just roughly draw it and see how it looks. Okay, so and use the fillet, what's that called, fillet arc, and then dm, mirror it to, oh, what's happening here? Let's try again. dm, I'll use this middle. Okay, so yeah, that's better. And trim, and then offset 200, tab, and then close it. So now if I finish, let's have a look in 3D view. So we need to drag, so it looks like it go forward instead of, you know, go backward. So we just need to roughly I don't know, maybe roughly adjust it, and then I think, yeah, I think we need to change that profile. So see this currently it's too big. So we need to reduce and then to connect into this roof. But I will just leave it to you. So roughly that's how I will do it if I need to model this one. Okay, and then you can just, I think you can attach to the roof because this is a roof category, so you can use this wall. You can attach to this model in place roof. Oops, yeah. So looks like, yeah, that's okay. So all good. And what's next? This one will be very similar to that one, I believe. This one's probably easier. You can just use flat roof, one piece, two piece, three pieces. And then this one is the same to those, I think. So this one, so these windows, I think you can probably just model them in as a window instead of using walls. So you can, it can be face-based windows, and same as these. So you can just even just model this as a family. So you can place them. So this is basically some like this one, and then you can just place them onto that. This one will be the same to that one. Okay, so that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll have a try. I'm going to try use face-based family, and see if we can and have different way to do it. Instead of using walls, roof, we can use generic model and create walls and roof from face. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.